What's going on, YouTube? Color Comics here today with another episode. I am your host, Forrest. Today, we're going to be drawing one of my favorite characters from the new Star Wars trilogy, BB8. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like and subscribe, and if you stick around to the end, you might even get to see me throw some color in there. So, let's get to it. The first step, easiest step, biggest step, you're going to want to draw a large, perfect circle. Now, if you can't draw a perfect circle, like me, use your jumbo circles. Line up your jumbo circle. Big sweeping circle here. There's his body. Halfway done already, just like that. Now, his head is essentially a half circle that we're gonna put up here. So what you wanna do, pick a size that you like. We're gonna do this right here because it's gonna be a little bit smaller than his body, and you wanna put it on a tilt. So this will be perfect. So we will start here. Half circle all the way to there. Now we aren't connecting it to his body just yet, because what we will do now is connect it with small little curves. Curve number 1. Curve number 2. Then one big line to connect this point to this point. So the next thing you want to do is throw a couple lines in here. Now, I use these microns, so you get a little bit of a different line weight with each size. So I went with my 12, which was the thickest line that I have. Now I'm going to go to a micron 3. You want to have a small little angle on these ones, and as they get towards the center, they're going to start to change direction. So this way, down, down, this way, this way. Perfect. Now, the next step is his body does have a couple small circles in it as well. We will use this size. So we're going to do one circle in here. We're going to do a small little quarter circle through this section. One down here. We'll throw another one right over here. Alrighty, next we have to do his eyes. So I have even smaller jumbo circles that we will use. There are his two eyes. We are going to draw a couple connecting lines from one half circle to the full circle. One line there, and give them a nice little curve too. Little curve there. One here, and one up that direction. Now the next step, I'm going to draw his little antenna. Tall rectangle here. One tall rectangle at the top, followed by an even taller rectangle. There we go. You can make those a little bit thicker if you want. I might actually go back in and thicken those up real quick. The next step, drawing the little squares on the top of his head. Rectangle there. Small rectangle there. Small curve. Curve along your circle you drew. Come back down. So we will be just like that. Down. Small square. Down. Small square. You're going to do one curved line like this. The other like this. Another down here. And one more right there. Then all you do, bring it down, connect, come down, down, connect, down, down, connect them, and one last one, down, down, and connect. This last one, we will leave just a small sliver. Small little box here. We have to draw his little eyeballs. One eyeball there. Another one there. And that is your perfect drawing of BB8. Now, once the basic outline is done, the fun can really begin. Or as Anakin Skywalker say, this is where the fun begins. Because you get to color everything. You get to shade everything. You get to bring it to life a little bit more than it already is. So what I want to do is we're going to fill in this backdrop here. All right, so if you made it this far, congratulations. You are a master of drawing the perfect circle. So the next thing we are going to do is give this guy a little bit of color. I like to use my gray markers and give him some nice little undertones here. Throw in a little bit more gray through here. It helps really bring out the roundness in his character. Because he is a ball, after all. Now the next step. We get to use, in my opinion, the greatest color there is. Orange. So we're going to start off with the lightest orange that we have. We're going to fill in this outer part. Throw some darker gray in there. I'm going to throw one more shade of orange in here. That is pretty much it. One of, if not the easiest character from all of Star Wars to draw. I appreciate you guys sticking around to the end of the video. If you have any questions or if you want to tell me what the jumbo circles are actually called, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below. I am Forrest, your host of Color Comics. I am out, and I will see you in the next one.